DJI Osmo Action waterproof camera, GoPro Hero 8 waterproof camera. We also have a Hero 7. If you follow these simple steps, you'll come out a winner every time. Reopen your battery door. Again, reclose your door and listen to the clicks. Make sure that both sides do not show any color on the tabs. You want to check for tightness of your lens protector. You don't want it loose, you want it nice and tight. One last area to check on the DJI is the port door. You want to pull it down, you want to apply pressure and push up and listen to the click. If you don't hear it, do it one more time. You could start your camera, you could dunk your camera. The camera will show some bubbles, that is quite the norm. With the GoPro, you have a waterproof door. You have a Ulanzi G8-7 door that is not waterproof. You're going to remove it and correctly put on the GoPro door. You're going to make sure the hinge goes on correctly. You're going to make sure the orange is shown. You're going to put great force and push the door close. If you're not sure that the door closed properly, this is open. You always want to double check your work. Make sure the door gets on the hinge and listen to the closure. Check around all the sails. We are good. We can now put this in the water. You don't have a removable lens, and there's no side port door, only the battery door. You could hit record. The camera is going to record, and we could place in the water. You're going to see some bubbles out of the mic porthole. That is quite the norm. We are completed. We stop our camera, take it out of the water, get a nice firm grip, and we shake our camera dry. We can put this to the side. We can leave it on, shut it off, whatever you want to do, and do the same thing to the GoPro. You're going to shake out the water, get all the water off your hands and the camera. You can stop the camera from recording and it will turn off. You're going to take a towel, you're going to dry the area, you're going to dry off your camera, and now you're going to continue with your Ulanzi door. You simply keep the camera down this way, allow the door, whatever water that's on here that you did not get, to fall off. Remove your battery door, put your Ulanzi door on, and go have fun filming with your GoPro. With the DJI, there is no port door to worry about. You dry off your camera. You can open up your battery door if you like. You can check for water. Nice and clean. You can snap it back into place. It shows the SD card is there, and you can open up your port door. There's a little water. Clean it off. Nice and dry. Close your door. You don't need to take off your lens protector. So there you have it. Always make sure your doors are properly closed. On the Hero 7, you have to take that extra step. Opening the port door, inspecting it, and closing it properly, listening for that click. If your camera gets water damage, it will not be covered under warranty by GoPro and or DJI. If you have a care package or a subscription, you may pay a copay along with your subscription for negligence, water damage. On that note, thank you for your time.